Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. And before we get into today's video, guys, I do just want to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because we are so very close to 200,000 subscribers, guys. And once we hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very, very, very special for you guys. So please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If you have already smashed that subscribe button, then I thank you so very much for your support. But in today's video, guys, we're going to be heading to the SpongeBob SquarePants dimension. That's right, guys. And we're going to be walking around inside his house. So what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need yellow wool, and you want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need sponge, and you want to place 2 of those on each side of your yellow wool. And then you just want to go ahead, jump on up on that sponge, and then place 1, 2, 3 yellow wool, and then 1 sponge block on top of that, guys. And then you might just want to look around, make sure you don't see any suspicious activity, guys. Whoa, there's a lot of pigs out today. I'm not for sure why all them pigs are out today. Obviously, they're wanting to be turned into bacon or something, guys. But basically, what you want to do is you want to put 3 yellow wool on this side, then 2 yellow wool in the middle, and then 1 sponge on the side, guys. And now you just want to go ahead, jump on down, and take a look at the absolutely amazing, beautiful frame you have just built. Now it's time to go ahead and light this sucker up. Boom! Wow, that looks amazing, guys. Let's go ahead, shoot an arrow through this thing, because I think I seen something trying to come out of there. And let's go ahead and head on in, guys. Whee! Downloading terrain. Whoa, that loaded up quick, guys. And oh my Lanta. Whoa. Oh my god, this dimension has SpongeBob's house, Squidward's house, and Patrick's house. Let's go ahead and head on in to SpongeBob's house. Oh my god, SpongeBob has a Krabby Patty on his head and he's trying to feed it to us. Oh my god, what is he trying to do? Kill us? Don't he know that I'm lacto Krabby Patty? If I eat a Krabby Patty, my butt will explode. Oh my god, I think he's trying to kill me, guys. Let me just go ahead and head on in here. But you know what? I'm actually going to let my pig eat that Krabby Patty, because he'll eat anything that has cheese on it, guys. Trust me. If you put cheese on your foot, he would probably even eat it. But let's go ahead and head into his kitchen. Oh my god, he gets cake. Yum, 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 yum. Wow, that hit the spot, guys. He also has a sink, and he also has a table that you can obviously set at while you're waiting on your Krabby Deluxe Pizza, guys. Wow. SpongeBob really knows how to treat a guy. Let's go ahead and head on out back. And whoa, he has a garden out here? Wow, I didn't know SpongeBob was into planting, guys. He obviously plants Krabby Patties. I always wondered how they did get the meat to make the Krabby Patties. Now I obviously know. But let's go ahead and head on into her, guys. This is library. Whoa. SpongeBob really loves to feed Gary's learning addiction, guys. Like, that's crazy. That was a lot of books. But let's go ahead and look in this chest. Wow, there's nothing in there. Oh my god, is this SpongeBob's bathroom? Wow, guys, he has a good view while he's using the pot. Like, while he's on the toilet, he can really look at the chum bucket, guys. And obviously, you know, after he's done using the toilet, he can always hop in the bathtub and he can look over at the Krusty Krab if he wants to, guys. If he wants to. But let's go ahead and head on up this staircase. And oh my god, this must be SpongeBob's bedroom. And then this must lead to his, like, upstairs garden place or whatever. Let's go ahead and head into his bedroom first. Wow. I wish my bedroom looked like this, guys. Wow, let's go ahead and open his closet, but I'm not going to look inside them chests because that would be kind of invading his personal space, guys. But whoa, look, right there's the Krusty Krab. He can actually see it from his bedroom, guys. That's pretty cool. I wish I could see the Krusty Krab from my bedroom. But let's go ahead and head on up, guys, and see what's up here. Wow, he has like a little settee thing, and then he has like a nice little bed where he can like get a suntan. Let's go ahead and do some parkour and see if we can see out to Bikini Bottom. Wow, guys. Look, right there's the smoothie shop, the Krusty Krab, and the chum bucket. And oh my god, there's lava on top of the chum bucket. I bet Plankton's feeling real chumsy right about now, guys. Get it? He sells chum. He's feeling real chumsy. Like, how they haven't thought to say that yet, I'll never know, guys. But let's go ahead and jump on down. This is going to hurt a whole lot. Ooh. I knew it was going to hurt a whole lot, guys. I just didn't know it was going to hurt that much. Let's go ahead and head to Squidward's house, guys. I have to say, SpongeBob's house was pretty nice, but let's go ahead and see what big nose Squidward's household. You have to respect a man that has a nose like that. Like, anybody that has a nose that they can slap you with, you gotta kind of respect them. But whoa, his place looks all futuristic and stuff, guys. You can really tell that this man enjoys his arts. Let's go ahead and, oh my god, what just happened? Whoa, there for a minute I thought his place was haunted, but oh my god, is that a fish tank? What? There's no fishies inside there, guys. That is messed up. That is really messed up. That's so messed up. I'm going to leave some TNT on his bed. That way when he comes home and he goes to lay down his little nose, his big nose, it's going to be like, to Powie. Oh my god, it's nighttime out. Oh my god, the hash slinging, dash slinging, bash slinging, bing dinging, ding donging slasher is going to try to come and kill me. That's why I'm lucky that I got into Patrick's house when I did, guys, because if I wouldn't have, he'd have probably got me. But wow, I knew Patrick was into his canned food, but not like this, guys. Wow, that was actually delicious. I'm going to have to take 1, 2, maybe come back and get 10 of them because I'm a hungry man. I am a really, really hungry man, and I need to eat, guys. But wow, Patrick's also into books. I didn't know he was still smart, guys. I thought he went and got his head fixed after he put that new one on, guys. But wow, look at this place. I have to say, though, overall, I like SpongeBob's house probably the best. Patrick's house probably comes in second. That's why I'm going to blow up Squidward's house. That, and he's also kind of a meanie. And he's probably going to come back and see his house blow up. And he's going to be like, SpongeBob, Patrick, I'm so angry. And then he's probably going to explode, guys. So let me know what you guys thought about this absolute amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.